Yes, Salaki Ak. Just want to add,
Mm-hmm.
I know this is on record, no?
Kan.
Yung sinasabi kanina ni Ak Joshua, Joshua is about, we actually were set up, nung pinanak tayo dito sa Monoto, were set up actually by this
Mhm.
word to bow down and serve Satan. Just
Exactly.
parang ano lang, di ba? Maklaro lang natin, no? Maklaro lang. That's actually what's happening. Because like for example, doon sa mga hindi pa nagising, no, sa katotohanan, sa mga bagong na tagapakinig natin, we are set up like how? Like religious system, educational system, financial system na sinasabi ni Akjo sa kanina, right? In educational system, religious system, we are set to follow the system like the holidays, right? Christmas, like yung kahapon lang din, kanina or I don't know, ngayon, diba, dyan sa Pilipinas, November 1, Halloween. You know, when you're celebrating this a particular holidays or feast, you know, it's indirect. You don't know you're already serving and worshiping Satan indirectly. So that's how it was set up, mga kapatid. That we are serving him, we by not knowing that, diba, unknowingly and indirectly, diba, pero set up. Kaya yun yung mga bagay na tatanggalin sa atin ng Most High. The disconnect between him tapos yung connection natin with the system of this world. That's why when we are actually baptized, mararanasan natin yung mga bagay na parang sinabi ni Ak Joshua na di ba, maano tayo, mahihiwalay tayo sa sistema. Then some, they will call us cult, di ba? Tatawagin tayong kulto. And because we are weird. Lahat ng bagay na ginagawa na natin ay weird and hindi na dati sa ginagawa natin. Na ginagawa ng majority ng mundo ito.